sorry. Here, buddy. Come on.
Keep coming, dude. Take it easy. Very nice and slow. Keep the pressure on him. Jeff, this is a fucking slug.
Guys, we're managing more tangles with no fish going than we did when we had 25 going at one time. More fish coming through on the bottom. Marking a few here.
I'm saying 45 of these.
I'm seeing color now.
You are? Go around. Go around lap two. Huh? Yeah, that's true. If it's overly large.
Does it get to a certain point and then start running again?
Yeah.
Most likely.
Now there's a black.
You're like all motherfuckers.
Yeah.
I'll go down a little bit. Wind as you walk. Breathe through your nose.
Oh, no, it's a yellow.
Yep.
It's a yellow. Oh, it took off.
Alright, coming down the road, guys. Let him down. Let him down, guys. Let him down.